Okay, Michael, yes? Tama ba? Michael? Okay.
Mike.
Mike?
Yes, it's
Okay.
okay. Sir Warren, is it okay to request na mag-analyze ang isang stock? Or later?
When? Kasi malaki tayo dito for technicals?
Hindi, sir, kasi I used yung pag-screen for
Okay.
breakouts.
Okay.
Then I just saw yesterday yung Chinabank.
Mm-hmm.
It's on the breakout with
Okay.
a large green candle
Okay.
with good indicators. If this is your case, will you recommend to position now or but it's near resistance level? So
Okay. Sige, remind me of that later when we start
Okay.
looking at the charts already. PX? Pepsi. Sige. Okay. Chinabank. Okay. Zoom in para mas kita mo. Kita. Michael, madaming hawak.
Hindi pa po.
Bibili pa lang. Okay. So you can do this in either way you want. You can use a moving average for your signal, yes? Or you can also use this as your signal. Did it break out? Yes. Okay, let's use a parabolic chart. Is it now above? Yes. Kung nakabili, the signal if you're asking me about signals, first signal was here, yes? Yes or no? Another signal was here. Agree? So nakabili ka na dito, and dito siya, you're just waiting for the next one. Red dot. So if you want this to be more reliable, let's add some of the lessons from last week. Legit fake. Wait, by the way, this is Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. Yung seminar na nangyari dito. Yes? Sayang, di ba? Meron ka? Uy, meron o. Alam niyo na sino manlilibre sa inyo ng dinner mamaya. Okay. Oh. Legit fake. Legit. Tapos, I'm showing this for hyping purposes. MACD. Ay! Good. Look at this. Merong momentum. Yes? So this. Wala pang sell signal. Yes? Yun.
third question, Sir Marvin, I plotted the next resistance is quite near.
I'll zoom out so we want to see it. You want this? You plotted this.
No. I mean, the next, yes. You
This one. Okay. What's your question?
I mean, the risk reward ratio.
If you're buying it, hindi na. My technique is always I want to buy at the most efficient way possible. And the most efficient here sana was this. Yes? Ito pa. You know how amazing technicals is? This is confirmed by this, so see the change in direction? Yes? Yes? Tapos confirm na may pera na pumapasok eh. Pero hindi masamang bumili dito. Pero if you will buy here, for me, it's bullish, pero it's not the most efficient way to come in eh.
Yes.
Agree?
Okay.
Parang ano siya, again, another basketball analogy. Pag tumira ka ng 3 points versus tumira ka ng 3 points half court, pareho ba siya 3 points? Yes. Pero the efficiency of the one at half court, parang hindi na siya ganun kasulit. So parang ganun to. Yes? Not unless you're Damian Lillard. Parang ganun. Anyways, so sell signal. Okay, sell signal, if you want to sell faster, is this resistance, yes?
Yes.
Pero if you want to trade based on this, malayo pa siya. So there's a possibility that kahit mahirapan siya dito, wala pa naman sell signal, even from the 20-day moving average, fast or slow? Fast. Wala pang sell signal, even this, wala pang sell signal, even this, wala pang sell signal. Yes? So the best thing that you can do here is just exercise discipline and maximize your trades. That's it.
Sir, excuse.
Yes.
If we zoom out,
Zoom out.
is that strong support? Yung level na yun?
Yung strong it is. Why?
Okay. Good.
It's a very, very strong support because this was a support from 2016. 15 pa. This is 2016 nangyari support dito. So 2015 pa. 4 years. Diba? Ano pa ako nito? Nasa 20s pa ako nito. Makatawa ka na, Kenzuto. Grabe, pag-age ko lagi. So yun, this is a very, very strong support. Please remember, what did we talk about? If a stock hits a strong support, what's the logical reason?
Strong.
There's a bigger possibility that it will also bounce. So from here, pero mo, hindi siya bumalik dito after 4 years. Yes? So pagbalik niya dito, mas malaki yung bounce niya. Yes? Ano pa? Two more stuff. By the way, you will see it later when we do fundamentals. Chinabank versus other banks na pwede natin i-analyze. Ganun ang fundamentals ng Chinabank. Hindi nga lang siya napapansin masyado. Pero yun yung maganda sa investing, kikita ka ng malaki. If you buy the stock na sobrang ganda na hindi pa pinapansin, para pag napansin na siya, matagal mo na siya nabili. Parang ganun. That's why you will see later on, when we talk about MPI in the afternoon, sobrang amazing na MPI. Hindi lang talaga siya gumagalaw. Pero pag gumalaw na siya, dapat nakaposisyon na kayo na madami kasi you came in from the fundamentals. Anyways, ano ba yung bet? Ano yung
PX.
PX. PX, PXP.
Yes.
PX. Okay, sige, okay lang.